Real pretty. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Texas Jones Fishing Channel. We're out here in Vietnam. No, we're at a local spillway. Kind of looks like Vietnam. We're gonna just go do some jigging, throw some lures, and see what happens. So stay tuned. It's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, almost already fell. That would have been fun for you guys to watch, not so fun for me. Got a little 1/32 ounce jig head and a little tiny 1-inch Berkeley minnow. Just gonna work this little body of water right here, see if we can get us something. Never actually fished this spot. All right, let's get out here and get us one of these. I'm gonna try right in here. This is calmer. There we go. Ah! There we go. There's this. Yeah. There we go. Ow! Dude, they're all popping out. It's like the 6-1. They're just not hook setting. I don't know if it's the current or what. I'll let them run with it a little bit longer this time. There we go. Got us another one. Nice little blue gill. There we go. There we go. It's a better one right there, guys. He's up in that brush. What a nice little gill. Ow. Relax. A little bit harder. Thinking about dropping my stuff. Let's get him back. There's another one. Yippee! Another little bluegill. Oh, buddy, you almost lost the eye. Let's get him back. Oh. No, the other way. Oh no. He made it. It's real fast. So like I said, guys, we're just using a little jig head, little jig. These fish are highly aggressive over here. But it's like, I don't know, about 7 now. They're tearing this thing up. Let's get them back. My jig is all beat up. Look. You can do this sometimes. Do like a wacky rig with it when you're trying to conserve on jigs. It works sometimes. Let's see. I'm really not trying to blow through all my jigs right now. Almost got me on that one. Yeah, the wacky rig works, but the other way's a little bit better, but it's a good technique for when you're running low on your rig. There we go. Oh, he's a fighter. Let's get him in. My drag was too low. But see, we just got another fish off this same rig. What it is the current right here, guys. They're a little bit stronger. Sorry, bud. Let's get you on back. I'll leave it whack. That was not even fun. Here. Let's get us another one. So yeah, we had a little bit of time today, so thought we'd switch it up and come do this. There we go. So another one. tearing them up on this little thing. That's a solid one right here. It's a lot bigger guy. Little Prego. I knew it. Stop. There we go. Like I said, we got 3 more fish on this jig that most people would just throw in the water and be done with, or throw it away, whatever. All right, buddy. He had some size still. Definitely a fighting fish right there. Let's see. Come on, one more. I might change spots because this is getting crazy. Get another one. They're on fire over here, guys. I think that was our jig finally. Something trying to eat that guy, it looks like. Okay, let's get him back. There he goes. You want one of these? There's a cup right there. There's another one right there. All right, let's see if we can get us another one. This stuff all over my hands, man. Got weird oil on this, the Berkeley's. Just going real slow, guys. Just jigging it, jigging it, jigging it. Sinking, jigging. Try not to lose my head. Oh, Jordan got him one. Yeah. There we go. I'm trying not to fall in. I'm trying to get the camera angle right too. There we go. I think I was fighting. There's another one. Success. All day action right here. I'm gonna get them off and get them back, guys. There he goes. Quite a few little bluegills. They're on fire. Let's get back. This is still one of my favorite things to do, watch fishing. Go back to the basics, go for bluegill, small setups, real fun. They fight like crazy. I lose my head. But anyone could do this. 1/32 ounce jig, 1-inch minnow. Just make sure your line's thin enough where you can throw that weight. If you got a real heavy line, you're not gonna be able to do that. But like this, you can just pop them in all day, real quick. Huh? Yeah. So here we go. I think that's probably like 12 or 13 already. Found a nice little school of them. I'm trying to work this calmer water though. There's another one. It's a good one. We wanted it. As much as I like these, I still hate getting fin by them. Okay, let's get it back. Say hello to the camera upside down. Bye-bye. There's another one. Real slow. Ow. You got me. Nice. Give him a kiss. Get him back. Oh. This ain't a bluegill. That's a drum. A drum. Big old drum. Waiting a minute to catch one of these. Nice little drum right there, guys. Big old drum. Go ahead and get them off. Go. Nice little drum. Go ahead and get him back. Let's get him back. I've had drum actually eat bluegill, so there's probably some bigger drum up in here. That'd be crazy to land though. I didn't know what that was at first. Thought it was a bass, but he started fighting all crazy. The bite slowed down a little bit, but I mean when you're getting them every cast, it's considered fast, I guess. Oh god. Yeah, I'm caught up in the rocks over here. But there we go. Another little one. Yeah, it's been a meat boy. Let's get him back. Beastie. These are way bigger than the other ones we've been getting, guys. Yeah. Get them back. Let's see if we can get us one more. Two more. Just bluegill fishing, yeah. Probably about 25, 30 now. Easy color one right there, guys. Ow. Look at the colors on that guy. So pretty. He's super red. Let's get him back. That's a better one. That's a real nice one, guys. Big old hand size. Got him right below the lip. Let's get him back. Go. That's better. A little two-piece. I guess it got loose on the end. So we've caught some sunfish, some bluegill, a drum, all in this one little jig. So it'd be nice to get a little bass or something. It's another one. Back. There's another one. Alright guys, so we've been out here I don't know, 30 minutes and probably over 30 fish, so I guess we'll keep going. So we got a little bluegill, little fighter. Alright guys, we've been out here a while, so really not too long, probably about an hour and a half. We caught a bunch of bluegill. This spot opened up, so I'm gonna try for possibly some crappie now. See how it goes. Turtle man, do whatever turtle man can. We got stuff jumping out here, but we'll find out if we can get us a crappie. Color, maybe a little bit natural. A black bubblegum, maybe. Where's my pinks? I don't got no pinks. It's not natural. Blacks. Here's a silver and red. Let's try the silver and red. We're gonna get us a crappie if they're here. At least something down here in this deeper water. It's not like his drag went off, but I didn't see anything. There we go. I think this is a bass. Yep, it's a bass. Oh my gosh. Testing this rod to the limit, aren't we? I don't think I can flip this. There we go. Of course, the camera guide, guys. Look at this guy. I got the red eyes. Oh, that little jig. Some cool colorings on them. I'm gonna get them off and get them back. Real small mouth. He's a little dirty, but we're gonna get him back in there. There he goes. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for that video. Oh man, that was a really fun trip. And then also, I had to do the video a little bit different than I usually do. I wasn't really sure if I was going to use that footage. I didn't do a lot of talking because I wasn't sure if the actual audio was going to pick up. But it did. I mean, there was some. I wish I would have done a little bit more talking, explaining. But you can't really tell how loud that water is. So when I was talking, I could barely hear myself. So I wish I would have done a little bit more talking. But if you made it this far, I appreciate it, guys. Getting to the video. Like I said, that place was awesome. It was a real beautiful, tiny little waterfall, basically. I heard that that's like a lava run over from years ago. Of course, many years ago. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Be sure to hit the like button, share, comment, whatever you have any questions. That's actually really cool spot, man. I mean, other than that, guys, got some other cool stuff coming up. Probably do a blue cat trip. Might do some more Trinity videos, and definitely some more alligator gar videos. So hang in there, guys. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.